Read this one.
Factorial notations. The notation n represents the product of
Not
first n
n. You
natural
read this
numbers.
one as, just a minute. You read this one as n factorial. This symbol is factorial.
Okay, sir.
This is called as
The
factorial.
notation
Yes.
n factorial represents the product of first n natural numbers, that is, the product 1 into 2 into 3, and so on, into n minus 1 into n, is denoted as uh, n factorial.
In
We
fact,
read this symbol as n factorial. Thus, 1
how to
into
read
2
this
into
one?
3 into 4, n factorial.
Yes. 1 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, and so on into n minus 1 into n is called as n factorial. So factorial, see, 1 is equal to 1 factorial. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 equal to 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 4 factorial, and so on. We define 0 factorial equal to 1. Please remember that 0 factorial equal to 1. Okay. Yes. First of all, let me write a factorial information in the notes. Factorial. Very important concept. Factorial. What is the symbol of factorial? You know that, no? Symbol. Symbol will be like this. Okay? 4 factorial is there. 4 factorial means sum of the first four, not sum, product of the first four natural numbers. What are the first four natural numbers? What are the first four
4.
natural numbers? Huh? Yes. What are the first four natural numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. This symbol read as factorial. So 4 factorial means sum product of the first four natural numbers. Product means multiplication. So my suggestion for you: what is the number you are observing here? What is the number you are observing in this?
4.
4. So you start with 4 and decrease 1 1, you decrease. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 minus will be 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. That means you start from that number and reach up to 1. So that product of the first four natural numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, is same as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The product of the first four natural numbers is 4 factorial. Answer my question. What is 3 factorial? Yes.
3 into 2
Start.
into 1.
Yes, 3 into 2 into 1. Start from the number, reach up to 1. That's it. 2 factorial is what?
2 into 1.
2 into 1. Then what is 1 factorial?
1.
1 only. 1 factorial is 1. Next, this is very important. One note point. 0 factorial is what?
1.
One only.
1.
This is very important. Some students will think that, sir, you told me that we have to take starting from that number and we reach up to 1. But starting from that number means 0 only will be there. But I told you in the beginning, product of the first four natural numbers. First four natural numbers means in that natural numbers 0 will not come. So how 0 factorial equal to 1? One doubt, naturally you may get one doubt how 0 factorial is equal to 1. Yes. How 0 factorial equal to 1. So this is not required for you, but anyway for your knowledge purpose I wanted to tell you. Yes. Let us see. Yes. 4 factorial by 4. Let us do that. 4 factorial by 4. Explanation. 4 factorial means how can we write? Tell me.
4 into
How
3 into
can?
2.
Very good. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. divided by what is there 4. This 4 gets cancelled. 3 into 2 into 1. Can I write this one as 3 into 2 into 1? How can we write 3 into 2 into 1 is same as 3 factorial only, no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I can write that is 3 factorial. Answer my question. 3 factorial by 3 is there. How can we write? 3 into 2 into
2 into 1.
1 divided by 3. 3 gets
3.
cancelled. 2 into 1 is left. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 can be written as, how
2
can we write?
factorial.
2 factorial. Next, 2 factorial by 2 is there. See, 4 factorial by 4, 3 factorial by 3, 2 factorial by 2. 2 factorial means start from 2, reach up to 1 product, and this 2 gets cancelled. That is 1 only. Next, 1 can be written as 1 factorial. Say yes, sir. Okay. Yes. 1 factorial by 1. 1 factorial by 1 means how can we write? Observe here, 4 factorial by 4 is there, we got 3 factorial. Means if 4 is there, we got 3. Means how, what is the relation you got here? So 4 is there, you got 3. Here 3 is there, you got 2. Means 2 is there, how you will get? 2 is there, how, what you got? 1 factorial.
1.
Means, so what is the relation you got here? What is the number? Minus 1. Got it, no? Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
2 minus 1 will be 1 factorial. So, what will be there? 1 factorial by 1 means 1 factorial only. So, 1 factorial means in this 1 minus 1 you do it, what you are going to get? 0 factorial only, no? So that 1 factorial means 1 only. 1 factorial means 1 only. Finally, we can conclude that therefore 0 factorial equal to what? 1. ये वाला समझ में आ गया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how 0 factorial is 1 means that one also explanation was done. Take the screen. 1 minute. Take the screenshot. Yes. Over.
Over, sir.
Over, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we will see the textbook. We can write, these points are important only. We can write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 factorial. Can we write like that? Usually 5 factorial means we can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Isn't it? Yes. So you take 5 as 5 only. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Can I write as 4 factorial directly? Or else, if you take 5 into 4, 3 into 2 into 1 will be 3 into 2 into 1 will be 3 factorial. Or else if you have taken 3, 5 into 4 into 3 if you have taken, 2 into 1 we are not taking means you can write 2 factorial. Like that we can write. So that only 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial and 5 into 4 into 3 factorial and also 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial or 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. Clearly, for a natural number n means we can write n factorial as n into n minus factorial up to, we can stop here, or else you can write 3 terms and you can keep this factorial notation. Like that you can write and so on. So what you have to do in classwork, you should write these points starting from here to here. Classwork purpose. Take the screenshot. Over.
Yes, sir.
Evaluate 5 factorial, 7 factorial, 7 factorial minus 5 factorial, 7 factorial by 5 factorial. These all we will discuss here. In exercise only we can discuss. Yes. I think I need not tell you this first question. 7.2 first question. ये वाला 8 factorial means how to write 8 factorial means
8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1.
3 into 2 into 1. Start from 8 and end up to 1. All multiplication you do it. Sum of the, not sum, product of the first 8 natural numbers. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You write like that 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and multiply all those. That getting answer will be the value of 8 factorial. Here evaluate is there. Evaluate means find the value. What is the meaning of evaluate? What is the meaning of evaluate? Find the value. So first of all आप कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Exercise number 7.2. Second one I will explain to you. Even though this is also very easy, you can solve in your own way. But I wanted to explain exercise number 7.2. Second question. Evaluate means find the value. Evaluate means what? What is the meaning of evaluate? Find the value. Second solution. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial is our question. Isn't it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
4 factorial. First you think about only 4 factorial. 4 factorial how to write? Tell me. 4 into
4 into 2 into 1.
3 into 2 into 1. This is 4 factorial minus. How to write 3 factorial? How to write this 3 factorial?
3 into 2 into 1.
Yes, 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24 into 1, that is 24 only. Minus 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1 will be 6. Finally, you can write 24 minus 6 is what? 18. Isn't it? Therefore, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial करने से हमको कितना मिलता है? 18. Doubts are there? Doubts है क्या इसमें?
No, sir.
One thing I wanted to tell you, my dear students, some students are having confusion, wrong interpretation. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial is 1 factorial, sir. They will think. Is it right? 1 factorial का मतलब 1. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial करने से 1 मिलता है, other than 1 मिलता है हमको.
Other than 1.
So don't think that it is, sir, it is looking like 4x minus 3x means 1x. It is not x. 4 factorial is something else. Answer gives 3 factorial is something else. So that is why 4 factorial minus 3 factorial is never equal to 1 factorial. This is wrong concept. समझ में आ गया? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Take the screenshot. Answer my question. Is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial equal to 7 factorial? So how to solve it? 3 factorial means 3 factorial, same as our previous question only. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 plus 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How much? 3 factorial means 6. And 4 factorial means 24, no? 6 plus 24, how much?
30.
30. इट 7 फैक्टोरियल करने से हमको 30 मिलता है क्या? 30 मिलता है क्या? 7
No,
into
sir.
6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So finally you can write that no, 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. ये वाला होमवर्क कर सकते आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
So this you can do it. Don't think that by adding these two you will get this. No. 3 factorial separate answer 6 मिलता है. 4 factorial means 24 you will get. 6 plus 24 will be 30 only. But 7 factorial answer is something else you will get. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 करने से और एक आंसर मिलता है. ये दोनों आंसर सेम नहीं होता है. So that you can write 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. Like that you can write it. So this is your homework purpose. Second question. All right. Then third question. What is question number 3? Compute means calculate. Solution. Question 8 factorial is divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Yes. 8 factorial, how to write? Tell me. How to write 8 factorial? How to write 8 factorial? Yes. Swapnil, answer the question. 8 factorial, how to write?
8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into
2 into 1 divided by, yes, 6 factorial. Now Shantanu will tell that how to write 6 factorial. Yes.
So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Okay. Then for this multiplication symbol, this multiplication symbol. So I will represent with another color so that you will come to know that. ये वाला 2 into 1. Next thing is cancellation. Very easy cancellation. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. No need of multiplication here and later on cancellation. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Everything is there here. Next 2 into 1 will be 2 only. So 2 one time. 2 4 times cancellation. Can we do like this? Yes? Say yes or no. Next. What is left here? 4 into 7. Nothing is left. 4 into 7 divided by, what is there? Only 1. Means finally you can conclude that 4 into 7 will be 28. Which is the answer, required answer. Which one? 8 factorial is divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. The same question, little steps if you wanted to decrease, you can decrease. Same question with some less number of steps. In what way? 8 factorial, question is 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial is there. Can I write 8 factorial as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial? This is method 2. Method 2. बताओ, can I stop up to, instead of writing 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, can I stop up to 6 factorial?
Yes, sir.
Next in the denominator, 6 factorial is there, and the next 2 factorial is 2 into 1. See, why I stopped there means to cancel this 6 factorial with 6 factorial, direct cancellation. ऐसा calculation करने के लिए I have done like that. Instead of writing completely and this one completely and cancelling, so we can stop at any place. We can stop, and When we are not writing up to 1 means it is better to keep factorial symbol. Further you are not proceeding. You are stopping at 6 only. 6 after 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 you are leaving. That is why 6 factorial. Understood? Next calculation, 2 ones are 2 4 times. What is left now? 4 into 7, 28 by 1. Finally you can write 28. ये वाला समझ में आ गया? Method 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How given? What is given to you? 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equals to x by 8 factorial. Okay, all right. Our intention is to find out the value of x. My suggestion for you equal implies 1 by 6 factorial you keep like that only plus 1 by 7 factorial you write it as 7 into 6 factorial करके लिख सकते क्या?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of writing x by 8 factorial, 8 factorial 8 into 7 into 6 factorial I wanted to write. For example, if you are having 3 into 2, 1 by 3 into 2, 1 by 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Next 3 into 2 into 1 is there. So LCM we have to take, LCM means in between the fraction plus symbol or minus symbol is there. LCM of denominators we have to take. Usually it is what 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be 24. 3 into 2 into 1 will be 6. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 24 and 6? 24 will be the LCM. Means 24 is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 only, isn't it? Isn't
Yes, sir.
it? So that out of all this, further it can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 as 4 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1 as, I can write like this, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 as 3 factorial. I will write here this one 1 by 4 into 3 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial. Means LCM करने से हमको 24 मिला है. 24 can be written as 4 into 3 into 1, 2 into 1 means 4 factorial. That means इन दोनों में से बिगर नंबर क्या है वो वाला LCM में आता है ना. ऐसा ना एक्सप्लेनेशन करता हूँ. देखिए, whenever you have 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 into 3 factorial is there. For example, I am telling 3 factorial means 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Further 3 into 2 will be 6 plus 1 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be 24. And LCM will be LCM only. Don't write the numerator. What is the LCM of 6 and 24? 24 is the LCM. इसका मतलब क्या है? 24 means ये वाला further it can be written as this one only. So in the denominator what you are going to get 24. 24 means 4 into 3 factorial करके लिख सकते क्या? Yes. That means finally इसका LCM 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 into 3 factorial का LCM क्या मिला है? बड़ा वाला क्या है? वही मिला है. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So इन दोनों में से बड़ा वाला क्या है? When 3 factorial and 4 into 3 factorial is there, in the denominator LCM you got 4 into 3 factorial means इन दोनों में से बड़ा वाला क्या है? ये वाला आ गया. I wanted to know the LCM of these two denominators. Tell me, इन दोनों का LCM.
7 into 6 factorial.
Yes, 7 into 6 factorial will be 7 into 6 factorial. Here 6 factorial is there. Means what is not there? 7 is not there. So 7 into 1 will be 7 plus. Here what is there? Here the same thing is there. Means same thing is there means no change. So no change in the numerator, that is 1 is equal to x by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial we can write. Further, 7 plus 1 will be 8 divided by 7 into 6 factorial is equal to x by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. We wanted to find the value of x only. X is having in the denominator 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. If you wanted to make x as alone, this is to be transposed. Already left side we have 8 by 7 into 6 factorial is there. When you transpose this one to LHS, it is in the denominator. If you transpose, it will go to the numerator. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Cancellation is possible. 7 into 6 factorial, 7 into 6 factorial gets cancelled. 8 into 8. 8 into 8 will be 64. 64 is equal to x. That implies you can write x is equals to 64. Finally, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? X value how much?
64.
60. So this is the way of answering the question. Evaluate means find the value of n factorial by n minus r factorial when n value 6 and r value 2. This is our question. So fifth solution. Given values let us write. Given n is equals to 6, r is equals to 2. You need to find the value. Evaluate means find the value. Which one value you need to find? N factorial by n minus r factorial you need to find. So what you have to do? What you have to do? Substitute that n value and r value in this. N factorial. N factorial means what we need to write? N factorial.
6 factorial.
Yes, 6 factorial. That means n value in the place of n you write there 6. Next, n minus r means n value minus r value. Tell me what will come? N minus r.
4 factorial.
So don't write directly 6
minus
minus 2 factorial. Okay, alright. 6 factorial can be written as, okay, right here 6 factorial only. 6 minus 2 factorial means write it as 4 factorial. 6 minus 2 means 4. So in the denominator 4 factorial is there, no? You write this 6 up to 4 factorial. Means 6 into 5 into 4 start, if you stop up to 4 only, if you are not continuing up to 1 means you end up with this factorial notation 4 factorial, and in the denominator what is there? 4 factorial. So numerator denominator 4 factorial is there, you can cancel them. 4 factorial gets cancelled. What is left now? What is left? Yes,
6 into
6 into 5.
6 into 5 means how much?
30.
30.
30. So when the value of n is 6 and r is 2, the value of n factorial by n minus r factorial will give us 37 factorial. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5040 will come. 7 factorial minus 5 factorial means 7 factorial value already you got 5040. 5 factorial value you got 120. 5040 minus 120 will use 4920. Like this you can solve it. ये वाला clear हो गया. Next, sixth वाला same question, it was given that 7 factorial by 5 factorial. 7 factorial can be written as in the denominator 5 factorial is there. In 7 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 also will come. So in order to get these simple steps, 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Denominator no change. This 5 factorial gets cancelled. 7 into 6 you can write. 7 into 6 will be 42. And in the denominator you are observing that a 10 factorial means in 12 factorial also 10 factorial will come. So 12 into 11 into 10 factorial, you stop up to 10 factorial only. And in the denominator 10 factorial means don't disturb this 10 factorial. And 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1, that is 2. So this 10 factorial gets cancelled. 2 1 time, 2 6 times. 6 into 11 is left. 6 into 11 is 66. ये भी clear हो गया आपको? Next, example number 7 I need not explain, but even though I am explaining n value 5, r value 2. Wherever n is there, write there 5. And wherever r is there, write there 2. So here 2 will come, here 2 will come. So now it will become as 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. Since n value 5 and r value 2. 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 factorial, keep like that only. To 5 minus 2 means 3 factorial. So here I will explain. In the denominator you are observing 3 factorial. So in 5 factorial, 3 factorial will come. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into 1, that is 2. 3 factorial, you write it as 3 factorial. 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 1 time, 2 times. 5 into 2, 10 by 1, that is 10. Example number 8 is same as this fourth question. I have explained you the same way. 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 factorial करके लिख सकते. X by 10 factorial means you write x by 10 into 9 into 8 factorial करके लिख सकते. And everywhere you can see this one technique is what 1 by 8 factorial, everywhere you can take common. Everywhere if you are taking here 1 by 8 factorial, 1 by 8 factorial, 1 by 8 factorial, here it is there 1 by 8 factorial. If you are taking out 1 by 8 factorial, here nothing is left means 1 plus here what is left 1 by 9 and x by 10 into 9 and 1 by 8 factorial you write separated. This 1 by 8 factorial gets cancelled. 9 into 1, 9 plus 1, 10 by 9 is equal to x by 10 into 9 will be 90. So when you transpose this to here, 10 into 90 by 9 will come is equal to x. 9 1 time, 9 10 times. 10 into 10 will be 100. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x?
100.
100. ये भी समझ में आया ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So instead of taking LCM and doing, this is the best thing. Common taking is the best thing, I think. Okay. Fourth वाला
Yes, sir.
common taking method से explanation देता हूँ. 1 by 6 factorial you write plus 1 by 7 में भी 6 factorial आता है. X by in 8 also 6 factorial will come. Okay. So 1 by 6 factorial you take it out common. So what is left? 1 plus 1 by 7 x by 8 into 7 into 1 by 6 factorial separate करके लिखो. This 1 by 6 factorial separate x by 8 into 7. 1 by 6 factorial gets cancelled. 7 into 1, 7 plus 1, 8 by 7 is equal to x by 8 into 7. x by 8 into 7. ये वाला इधर लेके जा सकते हैं. 8 into 8 into 7 by 7 is equal to x. 7 gets cancelled. 8 into 8 will be 64. So finally you can write x value 64.